Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to administer inhaled medication. Let's see the procedure. This is the prescription sheet. First, gel your hands. Approach the patient. Hi, my name is Nurse Sarah. I'm going to look after you today. I'm here to administer your inhaled medication, which is according to the prescription. Would it be okay? Okay, before I start, can I just confirm your ID check, please? Would it be alright? Can I just touch your wristband? Could you please let me know your full name and your date of birth? Your hospital number is D23456. I can see that you are wearing a red wristband. Are you allergic to any food, medication or latex? Oh, what kind of allergic reaction you get from that? Oh, okay, Patricia. So I'm not going to give any medication that contain penicillin. Is that all right? Like I said, I will be administered your inhaled medication, which is salbutamol. I'm going to prepare all the articles that I needed. If there is anything else, please just press this call button. Is that all right? I'm going to be needing you to remain sitting upright position. If that all right? Are you comfortable? Have you got any pain at all? Can you please rate your pain 0 to 10, 0 being no pain, 10 being worst pain? Alright, I'm just gonna gather all the articles. I will be back in a minute. Thank you. Gel your hand. Let it dry for 30 seconds. Now, time to read the prescription. Patient name is Patricia Smith. Date of birth 1 January 1987. Hospital number is D23456. Address is 43 Lowersford Road, NR31 RLA. Patient allergic for penicillin. Allergic reaction is rashes. Medication name is salbutamol. Dose route frequencies are 200 microgram inhaler 2 puff 4 times a day. Here's the prescriber's name is Anthony David. Here's the doctor's signature and date is today. This prescription is legible. I'm going to prepare the articles which I need. Miss Examiner, we are going to use a disposable tray, meter dose inhaler, MDI device. Check against the prescription sheet. Medication name is salbutamol. Dose frequency and route is 200 microgram, 2 puff 4 times a day, and inhaler. The expiration date is 23rd of June 2030. Next one is compact space chamber. Miss Examiner, is this compact chamber less than a year? So it's clean and intact. And a pair of gloves. So I'm going to apply now the apron. Gel my hands. Let it dry for 30 seconds. You can verbalize, which is let it dry for 30 seconds. Approach the patient with the tray and prescription sheet. Hi Patricia, I'm back. So I had here all the articles which I needed for the procedure. Before I start, can I just confirm your full name and date of birth and your address? Your hospital number is D23456 and you are allergic to penicillin. Am I correct? And you got the reaction of rashes, isn't it? Thank you. So are you happy for me to start? That the privacy and dignity of the patients are maintained by closing the curtains and windows. Are you comfortable at the moment? So please, let me just put my gloves on. I need to make sure that you are on the upright position. Thank you for staying upright. Would it be okay if I am going to tilt your head once we start this procedure? Okay, Patricia, I'm going to show you how to use this one. First thing, if the MDI or the meter dose inhaler is new, then shake it 2 to 5 seconds. Then remove the cap. After that, you have to prime it away from you. Make sure to attach the MDI device to the space chamber and also make sure not to touch the key parts. So I'm going to need you to exhale, then grasp the mouthpiece with your lips and your teeth. Make sure to form a tight seal. Don't forget, while you're holding the space chamber, it always need to be horizontally. Is that all right? Before we start, can I just ask you, are you able to hold your breath for 10 seconds or more? So if that would be the case, then we are going to use a single breath technique. It means after scaling, grasp the mouthpiece, make sure to form a tight seal as to depress the canister, inhale for 2 to 3 seconds, then hold your breath for 10 seconds, afterward remove the spacer. And that's it. If the patient is unable to hold the breath for 10 seconds, they can use tidal breath technique or multiple breath technique. So it means exhale, grab the mouthpiece, form a seal with your lips and teeth. When you depress the canister, breathe in and out more than 5 seconds. After that, remove the spacer. And that's it. So Patricia, are you happy to do that now? In the exam centers, we have to do the procedure with the mannequin. So in this case, you have to use your hand to tilt the mannequin head back slightly. Okay, Patricia, could you please exhale? Now immediately grabs the mouthpiece with your lips and teeth. Make sure to form a tight seal, okay? Now I'm going to depress the canister. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will remove the space chamber. You can breathe now. Patricia, I need you to rest for a little bit in between the inhalation. If it's the same medication, which is at the moment it's salbutamol, then it's just like I said, 30 to 60 seconds. But if it is different medication, then you get to wait for 2 to 5 minutes between the inhalation. Yeah, we already wait for 30 seconds. Patricia, are you ready for me to give you another puff? Because you need to puff according to your prescription. Are you ready? Exhale. Now immediately grabs the mouthpiece with your lips and teeth. Make sure to form a tight seal. Okay. Now I'm going to depress the canister. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will remove the space chamber. You can breathe now. Are you alright? Before anything else, let me just remind you that if you have another medication, you make sure that you have your bronchodilator first before you have your steroids. Is that alright? Okay, Patricia, I'm going to explain how to care this one. Space chamber, just yours. Only you can use this, okay? You have to part this MDI device and the chamber. Put the cuff on your MDI device and this one back to the patient's cupboard. Patricia, you have to wash this chamber in a running water with mild detergent. Is that okay? I'm going to leave this to you. This is yours now, okay? Dispose the tray and gloves and apron. Gel hands and let it dry for 30 seconds. Patricia, we are done with this procedure. Do you have any questions? Are you comfortable at the moment? I just need to document everything. Is that alright? Patricia, I'm done with the documentation. Are you comfortable again? Thank you. I'm gonna go now. If you need anything else, please just press this call button. Thanks for today. Gel your hands and let it dry for 30 seconds. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And also, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Good luck for your preparation. Thank you.